Hello and welcome to Samurai Day Trading Trade of the Day. Fred here, going to run through the trade with you on this 25th day of July 2025. And pretty standard what we're used to. We have the setup is that we have a lot of failure down here around this level. We turn around and we get this uh, strong candle indicator, which you can only get at Samurai Day Trading. And it's four times stronger than the previous one because the previous one's a doji, so it's not really hard to do. So all we do is wait for this candle to push down, and then we put our order on the body of the candle, and we'll see how we go. What are we going to use for targets today? Today is very, very slow. I expect the next candle to be around 30 to 36 ticks in length, so we're not going to have a very big target shooting today. We're going to go for 11s, 21s, and 41s, and we may even lower that to 31. But this is a trade I took in the room along with other people, so this is how it went down. And boom. Once we get picked up in the trade, we'll speed it up slightly. There we go. I think this goes pretty quickly, but there we go. First target's out. Therefore, our stop is at break-even position. We wait for our second target to get hit. And once that's done, we can go ahead and go to +1 or leave it where it is. But now we locked in our first two targets and we're looking for a 30. Well, I think I actually shortened this. So to be fair, I shortened it to 30 ticks because the PVI is so low. And we don't want to run into 76 fibs up here around the 40 tick area. And there we go. We're out. That particular trade took 1 minute and 30 seconds to complete and was worth 375 US dollars. So if you want to learn how to make 375 US dollars in 90 seconds, come and join us in the live trading room, SamuraiDayTrading.com. SamuraiDayTrading.com, the only place you can get these particular indicators, the strong candle indicator and the delta indicator as well. So very, very special, very easy to use. You don't have to be an expert in the field of trading to learn how to use these particular indicators. So come and join us. We'll look forward to seeing you in the LTR real soon. God bless, and we'll see you next time.